XMATCH is a modern lookup positioning function that tells you where a value is located inside a list. It improves on the old match function by supporting exact match, wildcard match, approximate match and reverse search. Once XMATCH returns a position, you can use index to retrieve the corresponding value. This makes XMATCH ideal for accounting, inventory, and reporting tasks where you need precise row positions. XMATCH has a simple structure but powerful options. The syntax XMATCH, lookup_value, lookup_array, match_mode, search_mode, tells Excel what to find, where to find it, how to match it, and how to search through the list. Match mode controls whether XMATCH looks for exact values, patterns, or approximate values. Search mode controls whether XMATCH scans from top to bottom or bottom to top. Understanding these modes helps you choose the right lookup behavior for each scenario. In this example, the goal is to find the last bank entry in the GL table. The GL table is chronological, which makes reverse search extremely useful. XMATCH with match mode 0 and search mode -1 scans from bottom to top and returns the position of the most recent bank transaction. This helps you identify the latest payment or charge without manually scrolling through the ledger. Wildcard matching allows XMATCH to locate text patterns inside long descriptions. In this example, the goal is to find the first transaction involving Alpha Incorporation. The description column contains phrases such as sale of printer to Alpha Inc., which makes wildcard matching perfect for messy real-world text. XMATCH with match mode 2 returns the first row containing Alpha Inc. Multi-criteria lookup is useful when the same product appears in multiple warehouses. In this example, the goal is to find the row where product equals monitor and warehouse equals WH East. XMATCH evaluates both conditions and returns the position where both are true. Index then retrieves the unit price from the IN table. This technique is clean, fast and reliable for inventory and regional pricing. XMATCH is powerful because it supports exact match, wildcard match, approximate match and reverse search. It works perfectly with structured tables such as GL, IN and AC. Use XMATCH whenever you need precise row positions for reporting, reconciliation or inventory analysis. Download the sample data and try these examples yourself, then post your questions in the comments.